Hi! In front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now to select all of them right away, click on Select All at the top right corner. To exclude some that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, use this delete icon at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!